Hey guys, welcome to Surfing Next. In this video, I will let you know about a very important feature of Windows 10 and 11, and that's about how to put the shortcuts of files on taskbar as thumbnails on the desktop. With this method, you can open any file without using your mouse. And that is very easy. Just press the Alt button on your keyboard and followed by the Tab button. The thumbnails of all the files that are open is shown on the desktop. Now you can move from one file to another file by pressing on the arrow, left arrow button or down arrow button or right arrow button. And similarly, you can choose any one file. Now you do this while the Alt button is pressed. Once you select a file to be opened, then release the Alt button and that file will be open. Similarly, let me give you another try. I press the Alt button followed by the Tab button, and I want to open another file. I want to open this my computer, this PC. So I have pressed the Alt button. If I release the Alt button, it will open my PC. Let me move to another file. I want to open this file, convert in LaTeX notes. So if I release the Alt button, it will open that file. So this is another way to access the file that are already open on your taskbar, and either your mouse is not working or you can try this to just enjoy the way you can access your files. And thanks for watching.